Ayurveda explains life through the Tridoshas. Knowing your doshas help to understand your body, mind and health better. Hi, I am Dr. Mrudhula, an Ayurveda physician and cosmetologist, and stay with me to understand more about how Tridoshas influence our daily life. Some people can eat whatever they like but never gain weight. Some others, they get angry very easily on simple provocations. There are some other category of people who stay calm on all situations, whatever happen around them. Have you noticed these differences? Ayurveda explains these in terms of Tridoshas, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Let's understand this in a simple way with examples which you can relate from your daily life. According to Ayurveda, our body works because of these three main energies. Vata controls movement, breathing, talking, running, and even blinking. Pitta controls digestion, energy, focus, and sharpness. Kapha gives strength, stability, and calmness. Think of them like three friends who runs our body together. Vata moves things, Pitta transforms things, and Kapha holds these things together. Do you know someone who talks quickly, has lots of ideas, but forgets where they kept their phone or wallet? That's Vata. Your colleague who is super focused, always hungry, but gets irritated if things don't go as planned? That's Pitta. And that friend who loves food and naps, but is always the most dependable and caring? That's Kapha. Most of us are a mix of two or three, but usually one of the doshas is strongest, and that determines our body and mind. When doshas are balanced, we feel healthy. But when they go out of balance, the problems start there. See, these are the same complaints which we all have in our daily life. Stress, acidity, tiredness. Ayurveda says instead of just treating the symptoms, you have to balance the doshas which is behind it. You don't always need complicated medicines or treatments. Simple habits like eating right, sleeping on time, and moving your body, these can balance your doshas. Tridosha is like a guide. Once you know your type, you know how to live in balance. So which one do you think you are? Vata, Pitta or Kapha? Comment below with your answer. And if you want more simple Ayurveda tips for daily life, don't forget to subscribe my channel.